Now we're going to do walkthrough 2. Apply and display block and inline block, which ties into exercise 2. Instructions for the exercise is right below this video, and this is a shorter exercise. So let's open up our website, and by now you know the drill, how to open it in brackets. Let's just preview where we left off from. And what we're going to do is inspect our paragraph tags. We're going to apply, as per the instructions, display block to paragraph. So let's go to our P tag. And a little trick is, notice it says paragraph tag is on line 43. That's where this paragraph selector is. So let's go to line 43, and there it is. Let's type display block. Command S to save. Notice nothing happens, and here's a little trick. By default, all or almost all elements in HTML are positioned by display block. But we just want to be certain that our paragraphs are just stacked upon one another. The other thing you might notice is that they're very bunched up together. So we're going to go in here and remove margin 0 auto, and instead we're going to have margin 10 pixels to 0. So 10 pixels at the top and bottom, and 0 to the right and left. And look at that, it's much more readable now. And it's very, very similar to our completed website, which is here. Look at that, we're very, very close. Just a few more touches and we'll be there. And then the few last things we'll do is we're going to go to our nav ULLI, and then we're going to apply display inline block. And so, as I mentioned before, blocks are naturally stacked upon one another. By default, they're display block. What's going to happen is we want to create a menu where home and contact are right next to each other, and that's stacked upon one another, and this is where we're going to use display inline block. So if we do display, then we do inline block, look at that, they're now stacked next to each other, and this is on line 62. So let's go to line 62 and add display inline block. We want the same thing here for social icons. We don't want them to be on top of each other. We want them to be next to each other. And to do that again, we're going to use display inline block. And we're going to apply that to our footer ULLI selection. And notice a similar pattern here. That's an important thing about coding, is noticing patterns. We're going to save, and look at that, they're now stacked next to each other. Notice if I toggle this off, they won't be stacked next to each other. See? Let's look at our footer. So we'll be using display inline dash block a lot. And again, we're very, very close to almost completing our website. So great job so far.